My name is Aaron Kamajaya. I'm a professor at Los Angeles Pierce College. I teach microbiology and biotechnology. We have a really nice team, starting from the faculty, not just me, but other my colleague. We work together, and the admin, even to the level of the president.
I wasn't really aware of where exactly I wanted to do with my career path. And I just decided to join, see what skills I could learn, what can I take from that, maybe find out what I truly want to do. A lot of professors really give you letters of recommendations, give you special opportunities, or if they find out through their colleagues who work at universities, they'll help you with that, or scholarships.
Sometimes it could be challenging, other times it could be really cool, because there's so much I haven't learned about. Because right now, in the biotech course, there's people's experiments are different, and so I'm learning from theirs too, and learning how to do my own.
Chancellor has been very supportive to our effort to create baccalaureate degree program, and that's actually very important because student can complete the entire 4 years and get a bachelor degree less than $10,000 US. We're working with our colleague from other colleges as well to provide this kind of quality education and hopefully bring a profit ladder for our community to climb the socioeconomic